Hey, let's take a look at how we're going to use this template to create the final version of our paper. So you will see in Classroom, you are given this APA template. It has all the pieces here for you. So this is your running head up here at the very top with your page number. On the first page, we're going to give your paper a title. We're going to type in your name, and then we're going to keep in the FJ Wright High School. In APA, this would be the organization that was sponsoring your paper or paying for this product or asked you to produce this product. You might also see a version of this with like the date in here. Okay, that you might have also the date included in here as well. We won't be including that date because this is a product that we've been writing over the course of time. And then we have the short title of the paper up here. Now notice the running head changes. We'll be taking a look at that here in just a minute. And then we have the just like the dummy text in here. Okay, this looks like zombie. Looks like zombie dummy text. And then we have the APA reference page here at the bottom. So what we'll do is I have, just for ease of use, I've included this doc here. I have my paragraphs. Here is my problem paragraph. Here's my solution paragraph. And then here is the counter argument. Now, if you were to take this, take these three, this would be a really solid work following our spiel models. The one thing I think these do lack is a little bit of the context or that link. Those probably could be beefed up a little bit, but it does have all the other elements of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my problem. I'm going to come back over here to my paper. And so this first paragraph right here is going to be my problem, right? Now, I have this in the proper style already, okay? So I have this in here as Times New Roman, 12 point, double spaced, indent. I have all that correctly. If I just hit Control V to paste in my text, notice that goes away. Now I got to go back in and reformat it. I don't want to do that, right? I want to make sure that I do this in a way that saves me some time and effort. So when I do that, I'm going to hold down the Shift, the Control, and then the V. And what that does is that pastes it into this new document using the new style. Okay. So if I've already given you the template that's already in style, all you have to do is select the paragraph and then paste in the work. And if you use that Shift Control V, then you won't lose that formatting. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our other two paragraphs here. Go ahead and grab my solution paragraph and my counter argument. And I'm again going to paste that using that Shift, Control, and V. Okay. And then I would do the same thing for the reference page at the bottom, and that will keep all those elements in. Now, a couple other pieces that we need to do. So we need to give this paper a title. Now, because I'm not pasting something in, I'm just going to be typing something in. I don't have to worry about any of that. As long as I just highlight or select the part that I want to replace and then just type in, okay, location matters when it comes, oops. Sorry, I'm not having a very good typing day. There we go. All mistakes and all. And then I'm going to type in my name here. And I'm having all kinds of trouble typing. And I'm going to leave the FJ Wright High School alone there. All right, now notice here is location matters when it comes to affordable housing. Okay, so that is my title. I'm going to copy this. Okay, and then I'm going to come up here and I've got to put it in my running head. Now, I'm going to come up here, and to get to that part, I have to double click. I could also go into insert headers and footers and open it up as well, but I can just double click on it and get it the same way. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to paste my, whoops, I didn't get that copy, did I? Here we go. Copy it. Then paste that in there. Okay. Now you will notice that I originally had it in all uppers and lowers, but the original one is in all caps. So I'm going to go ahead and just replace that with my upper caps as well. And you notice my page number kind of went down to the second line, but I do need it to be over here. So I'm just going to put a couple, I'm just going to get it back on the same line here. And if I click away from it, there we go. Now there is one difference here after I do this running head when I go to my next page. See over here, I lose the words running heads and I go to just a short title. So now I'm just going to come up here. I'm going to select this. And there we go. So I'm just going to use a short version of that, right? I'm just going to put a short version of that title up here. Anyway, the big key to this is as you are taking your work and you are putting it into this document, the big thing is that you want to make sure that you are using that Shift, Control, and V so that when you put your work in, you don't lose that style. It is fixable. You can reformat it. That's no problem. But it's just an issue that you don't want to address if you don't have to.